So these Polaris 570 Sportsmans have a bad tendency to jump cam time. This is probably the 12th or 13th one I've done. Usually they don't bend the valves. I've made a top dead center tool to make this easier. You don't have to take the side case off or take the head off. So I've already done this one, but I can demonstrate. Your top dead center tool, the 4 lines go on the bottom inside the cylinder. That line right there is your top dead center line. So you simply stick this in a spark plug hole, get it lined up to drop down in there. And I don't know if you can see that. When that line is lined up with the top of the spark plug hole, you're a top dead center. Now, to move the cylinder up and down without taking the side case off, you can put tension on the tensioner with a bolt or something. Just hold it in there, and you can move it. Watch it. You can move it up and down. See how it dropped down in the cylinder? And now on this side you can bring it back up. A little hard to do this with. But you can see it move back up. It's almost there. There it is. So yeah, you simply stick your screwdriver in here and get on one of these and pull, pry up. Or this side, do the same thing till you get that line lined up with the top. I would suggest putting it in cam time before you do that, so that you don't have contact with the valves and the piston. Pretty easy to put in cam time. On the intake side, you have I, and you line up the lines with the top of the cylinder, and they all have to be in a line straight across. Sometimes they're just a hair off, but you'll see that if you try another tooth either way, it'll be so far off that you know it's not right. So this is something just about anybody can do. This tool makes it so much easier. You can buy this tool. I have it for sale on eBay. It's the 570 Sportsman Top Dead Center Tool. Questions or comments? Leave it in the comments, I guess. Like and subscribe. More videos to come on other repairs. Dirt Monster out.